Hey babes, it's your girl Suzie and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll wait because I know y'all gonna like this video already. But I'm finna show y'all these exclusive little outfits that I got. Y'all seen it first. So y'all is basically gonna get ready with me for my trip. I'm packing my bag. We're going on a road trip. We going to Myrtle Beach, y'all. It is a 14-hour drive, but anywho, that's another story. So y'all, we finna pack up my suitcase and it's lit. So y'all, today I am really excited because I am doing my very first pack with me video. Y'all, this is super exciting. I will be driving first, y'all. I think we're gonna leave at 12 in the morning Thursday night. So y'all, this is exciting, y'all. But what can I say? So today, y'all, oh my god, this whole little week, I don't even know where to start, but I'm gonna start right here real quick. I'm gonna talk really quick and then we gonna get to packing. Y'all, I got some really bright and pretty stuff. But y'all, so I got my nails and my toes done today. Got the white. If you was following me on my Instagram and my Twitter, you already know this. Go ahead and follow me on my social medias listed down below so y'all could be up to date with everything that's going on and y'all can get the first post, you know, the first dibs on everything. But anywho, y'all, what was I saying? So I got my feet and nails done today. Got the white, you know, because white go with everything. That's period. Y'all, thinking of talking about nails. Okay, so I don't know if y'all been paying attention, but I've been wearing my real nails lately. Like, I'm loving it because I am just to a point where I'm done with acrylic. Like I'm to a point where it's just too much for me, y'all. So I really wanted to see, because I was missing like the long nails, you know. So I went to Family Dollar's, got some little cute little press on nails. I put them on. They was a little long, not super long. I'm gonna try to see if I can insert some pictures of them. But y'all, and they was a decent little length, and when I tell y'all, I hit one and it cracked my nail like all the way up here as if it was a regular nail, and that just reminded me even more to why I'm not getting in anymore. Like, that's it, I'm done, period. These is it, the white, cute. I will show y'all my toes. Oh, they just took out a lot of me. Okay, but yeah, I got the white toes. Y'all, oh my god, this is also gonna be so sad to me. So Woo friend will be babysitting Polo while we be gone. I really want to take him with, but y'all, I can't. I don't know how well he will do on a 14-hour drive, so I can't take him with. I'm so sad about that. But y'all, let's get into the packing. Y'all know I really don't be talking like that, but let me show y'all what we got. Come on. Okay, y'all, so this is all stuff we got. Y'all see it's a lot of colors. Do y'all think it's gonna fit all in these bags? Do y'all think it's gonna fit in here? I don't think it's gonna fit in here. Well, I know all of it's not gonna fit in here, but I also got this bag right here. So hopefully everything fits in there. We'll see. Let me know at the end of the video if y'all think we're gonna have to pack both of these bags or everything gonna fit in there. The goal is to make everything fit here. But anywho, I don't even think this is all of the stuff. I think I still need to get my towels and some more stuff. So, but y'all, let's go. Okay, y'all. We down here on the floor. So let's get to it. Hi Stinky. Hi baby. Hi my sticky doodle. Y'all, this is gonna be the saddest part. I'm leaving my Stinky at home. Well, not at home, but leaving him back here. I love you, Shinky Dinky. But yeah, we gonna get into the essentials first, okay? So I think I might have to use 2 bags, but we're gonna try one out for now. Y'all, So I will be wearing my natural hair down here, y'all. Gotta get this. The extreme, like this stuff is really good for natural hair, great for hold. I love it. I've been using it for probably a month or two now, but so far so good. I got some Miel rose mint strengthening hair mask and the shampoo. So I'll be washing my hair, getting in the pool, swimming, you know. Speaking of pool, if y'all don't know, I did take swim lessons. Go watch them. I got my bonnet, of course. And let's see, because y'all know y'all need the bonnet. I got my makeup removal wipes. I'm not gonna really get into detail, but I got a small amount of makeup, and I got my brushes and stuff here. So, y'all know the Listerine, toothpaste, mouthwash, the floss, all that good stuff. I got me some hair ties because y'all, I really don't know which styles I'm gonna be doing in my hair. Hold on. Can you move? Anything that he hears around when he think it's food. Can you move? Come on. Move. Yeah, my toothbrush, 3 powder degrees deodorant. This is my favorite so far, but y'all, I am switching to natural deodorant. Speaking of deodorant, I got my Brazilian and my underarms waxed today. Y'all, I'm like getting so used to it. Like some areas of course still hurt, but I'm used to it. I love waxing, but I am actually looking into hair laser remover. If anybody knows some good ones, let me know, or if y'all think it's a good idea, let me know as well. But I'm really thinking about getting them because I am hairy, especially like my legs. Like I hate, it's like as soon as I shave, please somebody comment down below and tell me that they can relate. Like you shave your legs after you get out the shower, and when you get out you feel like your hair starts to grow back. Oh my god, like I know somebody can relate because it's just be like, bro, come on, like really. But I got my black opium YSL, y'all. Oh my god, I love this perfume. I hope y'all can see this stuff. And then I got my African shea butter. Love this stuff as well. Like this is all I use. I got some soap. And y'all, this trip will be planned. I am packing me and woo stuff, so that's why y'all see everything. I got some goggles, swimming goggles. What else? Y'all, I don't want this video to be super long. I just wanted to kind of show y'all a little sneak peek of the stuff that I got. I got this little cute little anklet that I picked up at the beauty supply. I thought it was cute to go with one of my swimsuits. What else could we go to? So I'm not really gonna get into detail on things, but Bay got these John Weatherspoons. These are fire. I like these little shoes. And then he got some of these, I forgot what they call them, but y'all, I don't be knowing what this stuff be, but he got these. I found these, y'all, these little cute little Reeboks at Ross for $25. I'm like super cute. I got 2 pairs of heels that I'll be wearing. I don't know why I was holding those, like some little sandals and all that good stuff. Let me show y'all my cute little bag. Oh, I found this at Ross too. Super cute, right? How much did I pay for this? $20. Super cute. I got this cute little red bag right here, mini. I got some hats. One day I will be wearing a hat. This is my best friend clothing line. Make sure y'all go follow her at Akeem Apparel on Instagram. Y'all, she got some really dope stuff, like really dope. And also, y'all, I got to have a lint roller. What else? It's like, I don't know, y'all. But yeah, let's start packing this stuff up. Let's see. I'm gonna put the shoes in first, just to see how much space we gonna have. Y'all, it seems like the bag is full already. Look, like, come on. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these, but y'all, I got these really cute little white shoes. They are so stinking cute. I got them from off of Amazon for like 50 bucks. They was cute, and I had to have them. What else? Y'all, I really love these swim trunks that we're gonna be wearing. Yes, y'all, so it was really hard finding something to match these, and I thought it was gonna be easy, but it was not. But y'all, this is, y'all gonna have to check it out on my channel. I'm gonna probably put it up after I wear it in Myrtle Beach, but I already edited the video. But y'all, this is a swimsuit that I made. This is the bottom part right here, and this is the top. One-piece swimsuit. Fine. Y'all, I told y'all, if y'all ain't subscribed, why not? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so y'all can get all the tea, y'all, okay? So I can show y'all how to make these clothes yourself. Y'all, all my stuff is so, like, so small compared to Wool's. His stuff is like big as hell. So y'all know I'm gonna blame him if everything don't fit. Well, your stuff was so big that we had to make 2 bags. Oh my god, yo. No. Yo, look, we still got all this. All of this. Look at Polo. Hey, boy. Yo, I still got stuff. Okay, y'all, so I got everything packed up into the bags. Polo back there chilling, sleeping. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip this up. But y'all, I am going to vlog on this video, so make sure y'all stay tuned. subscribe to the channel, because I got more to come. Like, y'all, stay tuned, because it's lit. I love you guys oh so much. Let me know how y'all feel about this video. It was fun when it was fun when I will be doing more of these get ready. Excuse me, I'm hot. But I will be doing a little more of these videos, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have, and I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out.